What's happening in the crypto market?
Bitcoin, Mike, because it's booming again. We're back above 23K.
Bitcoin is surging to record highs today.
Apple's XRP token has surged more than 500%.
World's second largest cryptocurrency had an even bigger month.
And check out Bitcoin getting hammered today, hitting its lowest level since last July.
The volatility in crypto, to really hash out the bull and the bear case for this asset class.
What's happening, guys? Tyler here from Daily Market Movements Crypto. Today we're going to be jumping into the EOS chart for a possible play and some technical analysis. But before we do so, for any of you that be interested in receiving my live trading signals via Telegram, please head over to www.dailymarketmovementscrypto.com. Hit the subscribe button. This will take you through to a page where I charge a small fee of $29.99 per month for full access to the group for all of my trades. So let's jump over to the EOS chart, and here I have it pulled up on a weekly time frame. As you can see, it's always nice on a chart to draw your resistance levels and support levels on a high time frame to kind of just get a good feeling for where price action is currently sitting and what resistance and support levels it could face in the future. And EOS is quite an easy chart to draw those lines for. There's not a lot of complex price action and ranges, etc. As you can see, it's quite clear and quite apparent where these key resistance and supports are. But as you can see, dating back here to May 2021, we've been stuck in this downtrend for EOS. But I, in fact, have a bias that we have started to bottom around this region here, and it looks really nice from an Elliott wave perspective. So what I mean by that is, you've had a wave one here. We then put in a wave two, come down for a strong impulsive wave down to the downside for a wave three, corrected up for wave four, and we put in the bottom of our wave five here. And this could in fact be the start of another 5-wave move to the upside, where we've had a wave up, wave one up here. We're going to come down for a wave two correction, an impulsive wave three to the upside, another correction for wave four, and then on to set wave five. But it's too early to tell at the moment, but I'm seeing a lot of signs here on the EOS chart to say that we've in fact put in a short-term bottom and the price action for EOS is ready to move to the upside. Let's take a look at EOS on a lower time frame on the daily here to see if we can anticipate what price action may be in the short term. And this is the play that I see for EOS. I see a nice long to short play here showing on the chart. And I actually want to congratulate all of those that are in my signal group, because I sent out a sell signal for EOS yesterday and we're currently trading in a nice amount of profit. So well done to all of those that took the trade and are currently sitting in profit. And if you want to gain access to my signals, as mentioned in the beginning of the video, please make sure you go there and subscribe to the Telegram group. But as you can see, yesterday we were unable to maintain this upward price action. We did see a poke above the downward channel, but we were unable to break above it. So that's what gave me strong conviction that we are actually going to see some short-term downside before we move up, and we were very overbought on the RSI here as well. So with not being able to flip this level to support and being very overbought, it told me, we are ready to go back down and retest this as support one more time before heading higher. And it actually lines up for a very nice play on the Fibonacci also. If we draw from the low here down to the candle high, you can kind of see we're setting for a nice retracement there on the 0.382, 0.5, and maybe as low as 0.618. So if you want your targets, there are your targets. But obviously the Telegram team were the very first ones to be informed of that. So it looks nice, and that also plays up very nicely with what could be potentially, our wave two, if we have in fact put a wave one in here, come down for a wave two correction, and obviously onto our wave 3, 4 and 5. Let's draw that a little bit nicely, because I don't really like how that looks. But yeah, wave 1 being there, wave 2 down for our correction to then form our handle of our cup and handle pattern, and obviously on for some upwards price action in the long term. So we're going to keep an eye on this play, team. Obviously I'll update you once we hopefully do get down to these levels for what my buy target is going to be for EOS. But for now, my Telegram team, they'll be the first to be notified of when we're going to be entering a buy and when we're going to be taking profit on our sell position. So a good chart to keep an eye on it, team, and I will keep you posted moving forward.